Let's make brownies. Ingredients: pour melted butter into the mixing bowl. Next, sift in cocoa powder to avoid clumps. Bloom these together. Afterwards, go ahead to add your sugar and 3 large eggs while ensuring to whisk them properly. Add vanilla extract and mix. Sift flour and salt and mix just until the flour disappears. Add in chocolate chunks, mix briefly, and transfer in baking dish lined with parchment paper. Bake in preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Cool, serve, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment something cool, and subscribe to catch more awesome videos in the future.